Jeff Hampshire, and we are test driving a 1976 TR6. This car is running exceptionally well. I've been driving these cars since 1973. My first car was TR250. I still have it today. I bought it in 73, same basic car. Looking at the gauges, so we're up at 15 volts on the voltmeter. We're at 50 pounds of pressure on the oil pressure. Temperature is right smack in the middle. The clutch is tight, and which is the way I like them, so it's probably on the top pin. Kind of goes in or out. Good solid clutch. Definitely not slipping. Car pulls really well. Car's super tight. Does not miss a lick. Pulls extremely well. Shifts very smooth. First, second, third, fourth. We'll get up here and we'll go into overdrive when we get in the tunnel. Hitting a lot of good bumps, no rattles. Visors are tight, in good shape. They look like they've been replaced. Dashes, we must put a new dash in it because it looks perfect. Again, all the gauges are real clean. There's no blemishes on those. Steering wheel's super nice. Horn works perfectly well. Steering wheel is centered. It's clocked just the way it should be. So we're going into the tunnel. We might be able to hear the overdrive kick in. So put it in. Popped right into gear. So we're now in overdrive. Drop down about 500 RPMs, about 30%. So I'll do it again here so you can hear it. There, it's out of overdrive. There, it's in overdrive. Out of overdrive, it's a J-type overdrive. And this car's just running beautifully. Still sitting at about 50 pounds of oil pressure, a little below that, but we're only at 2,500 RPM. So the two things I've noticed so far, one, our idle's set a little high. Two is our brakes are pulling to the right. So before we sell the car, we'll put a pair of calipers on the car. It really is an absolute joy to drive, especially with that overdrive. Boom, we're in. And you can cruise. I used to take these cars, my TR250 up to Michigan, about a 9-hour drive, 9 to 10 hour drive. And I put overdrive in that car, my 250, which it still has overdrive, J-type. I'm sorry, A-type. And what a pleasure that was cruising. She does not miss a lick, running extremely well. I mean, just pulls beautifully. And we'll put overdrive in again. Popped right in. Absolute joy to drive. Total confidence with the gauges and where they are. Windshield is flawless. I don't see any stars, cracks, delaminations. It's beautiful. I'm not going to turn the wipers on because I don't want to scratch the windshield, but we validated the wipers work well. Upper dash pad, perfect. All three crash pads, perfect, brand new, been replaced. Door cards look great, seats look great. Seats are original, by the way. kicked into second. And that's the real test of this transmission. Especially at higher speeds. Slow down a little bit. It really could stay in third. Went right into second. I mean, just second gear synchro is absolutely perfect. Okay, now I'm getting on the highway. I'm gonna see how she tracks again. Put it in overdrive, and we are cruising. And overdrive is off. Coming off the exit ramp. Car is super tight. Shows 73,000 miles on it. Back into second again. Big downshift, went right in. No grinding, no chirping. Tranny is outstanding. By the way, no U-joint clicking either. U-joints are super tight. Simple way to test the U-joints, by the way. I just went reverse, put it in first. Nothing. Didn't hear a thing. I think they've all been replaced, by the way. But no clicking. All good. Thank you for the ride. Oh, P.S. E-brake works perfect, and I'm on a steep hill.